Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to resolve issues with subscriptions or in-app purchases in fitness apps. So now let's get started. First of all, check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and linked to your account in the App Store or Play Store. Another step is verify subscription status. Simply go to your account settings and check the subscription status to ensure it's active. Another step is restore purchases. If the purchase is not showing, use the restore purchases option in the app settings. Another step is update the app. Simply go to Play Store and search for the app, and if you see any updates, simply update the app. Last but not the least, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app, and it may reset subscriptions. So this is how to resolve issues with subscriptions or in-app purchases. In fitness apps. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.